Guys, let me just grab a bite of my delicious chicken mayonnaise wrap. Wow, look at that. Wow. Dropping. Bite. So good, guys. Hope you guys give this a try, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay guys, so for my wraps, my chicken mayonnaise wraps, obviously you need some chicken breast. So over here I have like 3 pieces of chicken breast that are boiled in some water, and now it's already cooked. I'll just be shredding the chicken over here, and then I also cut up some shredded lettuce and a purple onion over here, very thin sliced, and also thinly sliced tomato, and I also have some pickle over here. So yeah, let me just shred the chicken, and then I'll show you guys how I marinate the chicken with the mayonnaise. Okay, for the chicken I'm just using 2 forks like that, and then I'll just shred up the chicken like this. So you first gotta shred it up nicely. Okay guys, so my chicken has been shredded. Now I'm just going to give it a quick sprinkle of salt, not too much. Sprinkle a little bit of white pepper. I'm going to add in half a teaspoon of sugar. I'm going to pour in just a little bit of white vinegar, about a teaspoon. And I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise. Okay, now let's just give this a good mix. Mix the chicken with the mayo, and the salt, and the white pepper, and the sugar, and the white vinegar. That good mix, and then we can start to make our wraps in the grill once it's done. Very easy to make. Okay guys, so here's my electric grill. I think it can fit 2 tortillas in this. See, 1 and then 2. So we'll prepare 2 here first. So here's my tortilla wrap. Okay, first we're gonna add in our chicken. This is gonna be a very healthy, delicious wrap over here. Then we're gonna add in some lettuce over here. Add in a few onions. Add in a few slices of tomato. Add in a few pickles over here. Okay, and over here I've got some mozzarella cheese, so a good sprinkle of mozzarella cheese over here. If you like it more cheesy, add more cheese like me. There you go. Now just roll this up like a sushi wrap, just like that. Okay, let's pop in another one. Okay, let's wrap this up like sushi. Okay, looks good guys. Now we're going to sandwich press this. Okay, we'll sandwich press this until it's ready and nice and brown. We don't need to add no butter on top because it's fattening. This is a very healthy wrap. Okay guys, let's check on the wraps. That's been in here for about 5 minutes on medium heat. Wow, look at that. Nice. Just cut this up. Let's take this off the plate. This one's just the one without cheese. Okay, let's cut this up. Nice. This one's the cheesy one. Check this out guys, delicious wraps for dinner. Wow, nice. Hope you guys give this recipe a try. Wow, this one's the cheesy one. Wow. Okay guys, it's time to eat.